Hey everyone, I am Siam. Peace be upon you. Welcome to my very first video in this channel. Today, I am going to explain you something really powerful and valuable. That's AI agents and automation. But in the easiest way as possible. Even if you never coded before, by the end of this video, you will learn what n8n is, why automation is changing the world, how AI connects with it, and how you could build something, some cool projects using these tools. So, if you want to save your time, build some cool projects, and learn the future, stay till in the video. Alright, we have come on the presentation. Let's present it step by step. Okay, what is the full form of AI? AI means artificial intelligence. It's a kind of intelligence or brain which is made by human. Okay, suppose your computer is doing boring tasks automatically while you sleep. Again, imagine emails replying themselves, content posting automatically, your business running 24 out of 7. That's not science fiction. That's AI automation. Today, we'll explore how it works and why tools like n8n make it possible for everyone. Okay, let's see what is n8n. Actually, the digital assistant, it's a kind of digital assistant. n8n is a free open source automation platform that acts like a bridge between your apps. Okay, it connects your tools together without requiring advanced coding skills. It is the logo of n8n. Okay, you could see. Actually, when a new okay, when a new email arrives, n8n automatically saves attachments to Google Drive and sends you a Telegram notification. That's the art of visual drag and drop workflows. Actually, it's super easy, believe me. Okay, let's say what is AI in a deep enough detail. Actually, it's a kind of thing that could think, process complex information, and understand context. It's like a human, okay? Also, it could learn. It improve performance through patterns and data. It means when we give him data and patterns, it learns from them and it perform according to that. Also, it could decide. It means it could take decision. It make intelligent choices like humans do. Okay. Artificial intelligence enable computers to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Your experience of daily AI daily, YouTube recommendations, Google search results, and ChatGPT all use AI to understand what you want and deliver smarter results. Okay, let's say what is automation? There is a simple difference between automation and AI. Actually, making tasks happen automatically. Automation is when tasks happen on their own without manual effort. Very simple. Scheduling a YouTube upload or setting your phone alarm are perfect examples. Okay. Automation saves three critical resources: time, energy, and mistakes. Instead of repeating the same actions daily, your systems handles it consistently. Okay, let's say what is AI plus automation? Actually, combining smart thinking with automated actions. Okay, suppose this is a brain AI and this is automation that you need not to do any manual task that done by automatically. And if we combine these two things, this is AI automation. It's super powerful. Actually, data automation is where intelligent systems make better decisions with your automated workflows. And AI reads your emails, decides which are important, and n8n automatically replies or organizes them. You get a smart system working 24 out of 7 with zero human intervention. Actually, AI automation and AI agent is like same thing. Okay, let's say what is AI agent? Agent is something that could observe. It monitor your data and systems in real time. It could analyze, use AI to understand patterns and context. Also, it could make decisions. It's like a AI. Make intelligent choices automatically, and it could act, it execute tasks without human intervention. Actually, an AI agent is your own mini robot worker that thinks, decides, and acts. Build a YouTube comment agent that reads comments, analyzes tone with AI, and replies automation through n8n. Okay, it's intelligence and automation working together seamlessly. Let's see why it matters. Okay, time is more valuable than money. We know it. Most people waste hours on repetitive work, replying to messages, moving data, copying files, etc. The automation lets this task run 24 out of 7 while you focus on creating, learning, and growing. This is super powerful. With AI automation, you accomplish 10x more with the same energy. Okay, whether you're a student, YouTuber, or business owner, automation provides freedom from stress, repetition, and limitation. Okay, you are at the end of the video. Still, your competitive is learning AI automations. Today is learning to use the internet in the early days. If you start now, you'll be far ahead in the future. The future belongs to those who can multiply their impact. AI automation is not just a tool, it's a superpower that separates leaders from followers. By mastering it today, you are positioning yourself for tomorrow's opportunities. Your next step is walk. Learn anything step by step. Real workflows, practical examples, and hands on tutorials will get in this channel. And if you want to get notified when new automation tutorials drop in my YouTube channel, you could subscribe for more updates and obviously turn on notifications so that you never miss a step in your AI automation journey. That's just the beginning of the automation. Next, we'll build real workflows in a latent step by step. I'm Sam, and this is your first step to smart automation. Let's get started.